The reason why a novice aircraft crashes is that there is no buffer period for getting started, causing frequent machine crashes and a lack of experience for beginners. Now we are launching a Mini 2 simulation drone for everyone. The remote control will support multiple flight simulator software on the market. Immersive experience practice, no venue restrictions, multiple devices for smooth play. Mini body with comfortable grip, remote control. Surrounding design. You can choose your favorite color to control your flight. FPV knob speed control. Design unleashes power to the fullest. Fingertips waving towards the racing champion. Fully enclosed, high toughness body, resistant to drops and impact. Stable hovering flight. Have you ever seen a drone with sudden braking? Sunflower flight? A reliable partner for achieving a racing championship, the Mini S2 simulation drone.